description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today we've got one from, well, it's made in Malaysia for Singapore. This is Vecorn Singapore Laksa soup noodles. These feature a non-fried noodle, and it was sent in by the nice folks over at Yili. Thank you very much. And yeah, that's what we're doing for this episode. So how are you doing? I hope you're doing well. I am enjoying today, which is, it's a day, it's what they call Wednesday. It's a day on Wednesday. Anyway. Yeah. So, it is a busy Wednesday with extreme time constraints, which actually I like that. I like having to kind of work under the gun a little bit, as it were. Where did I put that? Dude, I grabbed a fork. Dude, where's my fork? I grabbed a fork. I'm grabbing another one. I don't know. Being Wednesday and all. There's that. And we need our paste. Is it like right in... No, where? I swear I just grabbed a fork. Maybe I mentally grabbed a fork. You ever have the, like, oh, I just did this. But you really didn't? No? Is it just me? No, it's just me. Okay. Or like, no, I did reply to you, but you were like daydreaming. And you like mentally like feel like you did it, but you didn't really do it. I think I get on the receiving end of that once in a while. Like, no, really, I'm right here, and I didn't get any of that. But anyways, it is Wednesday, and I'm making laksa. Actually, today, I'm making laksa on this episode, and in 2 episodes from now, I'll be making laksa again. So it's a laksa-doxical kind of deal. And the reason for that is I've got the right stuff. Should I just leave it at that? No. I've got the right stuff for garnishing laksa right now, and it's definitely not too often. So every variety that I have that could use those things, I'm trying to get wrapped up, and I believe today that should be that. So that's good. And they're doing all the confirmations of the cabinet picks, and that's pretty ridiculous, because it seems like when you say yes or no, blah blah blah, they just won't give a straight answer. It's just like, come on. Real. Do you have teeth, yes or no? Well, insofar as... No. Don't do that. I don't care what party you belong to. If you can't answer a simple question like that, that should disqualify you. I mean, jeez. But yeah, it is Wednesday. And tonight we are going to Fred Meyer. It's a grocery store chain around here. I don't know if you have them where you are. If you are in the United States, you may have heard of Kroger, and I know that's what they just call the stores. What a weird name. Where are you going? I'm going to Kroger. Okay. But they've got they have stuff, and on Wednesday their sushi is half price. That kind of, I don't know. My daughter's been wanting to try sushi, and grocery store sushi sounds a little suspect, but I don't know. That place isn't bad. And it's cold out. I went for a short jaunt. I walked until my legs started hurting, and then I stopped. Well, it was while I was on the way home anyway. So. Pardon me. But yeah, last night I got like this tickle in my throat. One of those disagreeable tickles that kind of make me feel like, you know what? Or I hope this isn't the case, but this may be heralding the onset of a some kind of sick or cold. That is not cool. I don't want that. But we just had the holidays. Yeah, I'm all sniffly. Although every morning it's been like we run the heat at night, and it's, you know, an AC unit that also does heat. It's right over there. Can you see that? That's what that is. And what happens is it ends up drying out the air, shuffling dust around, that kind of thing. So I wake up in the morning and I feel just like I'm full of gunk, and I don't like it. It's not I don't like the gunkus. But, and then like after I've been awake for like 30 minutes, all of a sudden I get a runny nose. Do you know? Check this out. So everybody knows what diarrhea is, right? No? Oh, I'll look it up. Well, if you have a runny nose, that's rhinorrhea. And I found that out like maybe within the last 6-8 months. And it's just like, instead of saying, ugh, I got a runny nose, I like to say, I've got a bad case of rhinorrhea. And you can say it now too, because now you know. I bet you already knew. I'll bet. You guys are smart. Right? Anyway. But yeah, it's Wednesday. And since we're going to Fred Meyer, yeah, maybe we'll get some chicken, and maybe I'll get some an onion and a bell pepper, maybe some more scallion. Maybe tonight I'll have a couple drinks and make up some green curry. That sounds nice. I really like green curry. It's really easy to do. Well, to love green curry is to do something really easy, but to make it is honestly really easy. I use the Simmer sauce from the Kroger brand Thai Simmer sauce. I know. It's like, dude, you should just use the paste. Don't you have fish sauce? Don't you do? No, I'm a creature of. I like things to be pretty easily done. Alright, so we have some Malaysian-made Singapore laksa. Let's start with the noodle. Lately I've been starting with the broth, but I'm going to do it the old-fashioned way today. The standard. There's your noodle. Hot noodle. Cheers. Chewy. The broth has an oiliness, as you can see from the stuff left on the spoon when I rock the cradle. Say. That's good. A little bit of heat. Yeah. I like that. I had somebody giving me grief for putting out, Ramen Raider's getting lazy, he's putting out too many 5 stars. I'm like, okay, here's the deal with that. I gravitate towards the stuff that I think's going to taste good first. And the ones that I know are going to be horrible, they don't always get top billing. You know what I mean? It's like, I don't get like a big rush out of making or doing up stuff that I know is going to be nasty. I've been doing the instant noodle thing for so long that I can really honestly look at a pack of noodles and guess how it's going to taste, and often it will taste that way, but you never know. I've had ones that I've thought, man, that's going to be like this, this, and this. Not even close, and honestly, incredibly good. Ooh, yeah. Alright. Egg time. Now, this egg. Oh no. Oh no. Really? You mean I have to use the big knife? Okay. Alright, where are you gonna hop? You wanna hop over here? I want you to be visible. So this is a heritage egg from, if you're calling it a heritage egg, I would like guess that's from an old chicken, but I don't think so. I think it's from a breed of chicken, which makes really nice colored yolks. That's all I can say about that deal. Yeah. Yes, folks, these are from the $9 eggs. They're fancy, they're expensive, but hey, I will pay extra for that look in that yolk. They're almost as good as the other heritage eggs I was getting. Yummy. If you've never had laksa, then you really owe it to yourself to give it a try. Really good stuff. It's hard to explain, but it is darn good. Just go like this. And then we're gonna go with some mint. Minty mint. Right there. I'm actually gonna use a little bit of sesame seed too, which I'm kind of getting to the point where that's all I have is a little bit of sesame seed. Just a wee bit. I really like how mint tastes when you add it in laksa, but I also like how it looks. I like that nice green shade. Let's see if I can just pluck some nice looking. I like that. I'm good with that. Let's do this up. Look at that. Yeah. Rotato, do it. Well, thank you very much to the kind folks over at Ye Leave for this. This is the last one of the stuff they sent me recently. The next one you're gonna see is from it came out of a Nakama Noodles box. You can go to Meow, spelled M-I-A-U, meowboxjapan.com. Use the coupon code The Ramen Raider for a discount. This is Myojo Megami roasted miso. This is a white miso cup. So that'll be on the next episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one and bye-bye.